Hey YouTube. Okay, so I was browsing through YouTube and I stumbled upon the Senegalese twist. I hope I said it right, and I thought it was so cute. It looks very natural, so I was just like, you know what, I have to try this, especially because right now it's raining a lot. I'm in California and it's been raining a lot in the last couple of days. I was trying to come up with something I could do with my hair so that it doesn't get all frizzy from the rain. And so when I seen it, I was like, you know what, this would be perfect. So this is my first time doing it. The reason why I didn't do a review, because I'm not going to tell people how to do it, because I'm a learner. I was looking at other people's videos to figure out how can I do this so I can do a good job. And mind you, this is my first time I ever even put extensions in my hair. I've had it before, but I've never done it on myself. It was definitely a lot of work. I expected this to take about 2 hours because I was like, if I use bigger parts, it should go by pretty fast. But no, it took me more like 6 hours. So I didn't expect that. I'm not complaining about it. Well, here's some things that I feel like I could do better next time. So as you can see on this side, it's a little more, well, it's a lot more frizzy than this side. So I got the hang of it by the time I got to my right side. On this side, I have a lot of strands coming out, and it's because I was too lazy to wash my hair. I left it flat ironed and then I just put them in. So one thing I feel like I'm gonna do better next time is wash my hair first and actually have a natural. Yeah, I was just being lazy, thinking like I just want to hurry up and get it done. So I would say for the next time, I would definitely wash my hair, and I probably won't blow dry it either. I'm just gonna wash it and comb it out and then twist it and see how that goes. I just didn't want to take a long time, like I said. A lot of the videos that I watched, they recommended the Senegalese hair, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I got this from a beauty supply store that's near my house. I saw the yellow packages, but they didn't have it, so I got this one, which was still really good. It says supposedly it has more hair. It says more for your money and fuller than any other brand. So this was actually pretty cheap too. It was 2 for $5. I don't know how much you guys pay for yours, but this was a good price to me because I was expecting to pay at least like $7, $8 to $10 a pack. So when she said 2 for $5, I was like, oh snap. I didn't use a lot of packs because, like I said, I was just planning on doing the big part. So I used 6 packs, which is great because that's all I bought. I made it work. And so as I was twisting my hair, I did good in the front, but when I got towards the back, that was the hardest part. And a lot of my twists are, let me get closer. But yeah, like I said, this side I did better than this side. This side came out more frizzy, but that's all good. All right, so that is my review. I want to do this hairstyle again because I really like it. Next time I think I'm gonna try the curlier hair, because what took a long time using the straight hair is me having to like constantly twist it. Every time I went around, I had to keep it tight. So that's what I learned on this side. Like I have to twist it every time I turn it. Here I was trying to get away with it just so it can go by faster. And because of that, my hair started to stick out a lot. It is looser. So by the time I got on this side, I did a better job. So yeah, I like this hairstyle. I'm gonna do it again. And this is a review on the Senegalese twist. Hopefully this helps with the type of braiding or type of hair. And just YouTube is the bomb, right? Because you can go on here and listen to other people and see how it worked in their hair. And my hair texture is all different kinds of textures. It's long, it's like waist length, and I would say I have like a mixture of 3C, 4A. It's like a mixture of those, I would say, between those textures, because I don't really have like the sparkly curls. Mine is more wavy, so I would say more like a 2B, 2C mixed with 4A, like the toughness, and then the 3C smoothness. I don't know, it's crazy. My hair is everything. But yeah, so this is how it came out with my hair. Next time I'm gonna wash it though. I hope this helped you guys. If you want to try this hairstyle, it's actually not that hard. It's pretty simple. Go on someone else's channel, Look up the Senegalese twist and you'll see a lot of people explaining how to do it. This is my first time ever putting extensions in my own head, and I was able to do it, so it wasn't that hard. It's pretty simple. All right, see you guys. See ya.